Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Nusa Capital. And please forgive me, I have a bit of a cold, so if my voice sounds a bit strange, you know why. Anyway, we're going to be talking about Moodeng, and I thought a short one would be very appropriate for the Moodeng holders. Looking at the chart, as I've said before, massive drop from the all-time high all the way down. Let's just remind ourselves of what that was. So we're looking at that to this area here, which is about 96.81%. Massive drop, as we can see. Now, you may recall in previous videos, I talked about this area between here and here being the all-time low. Being low, and it was not going to get any lower, but it dropped. And then again, getting to this area, I thought it was going there, but it then dropped again. And that was what made me posit that, okay, now that we've got this area here, if you are a speculator, this is the area you could get in, if you still believe in the project. And I said that people should then pray for the fact that Moodeng should go beyond the point of control, which is about 7 cents. That if it breaks the 7 cents area, there's not going to be much to hold it back until it gets to about 33 or so at that time. Now, if you may recall, I think there were about 2 or even 3 areas of supply. The area of demand is still there, but as you can see, it's very, very thin. You've got to look very closely at it. And that was around around 3 cents, and it's since the price action has since left that area. Now, the worry here at the moment is that this area of supply is an area where you sell, where people are selling a lot. So except there's enough price momentum, or volume momentum here, should I say, volume momentum, not price momentum. If it doesn't break through here, we're going to be here. We might find ourselves trading sideways for quite a while. But if there's enough volume momentum, it will break through, and once it breaks through to about 44, I think this volume of the area of supply, beg your pardon, is about between 33 and 44. Now, if it breaks the range of 44 cents, then, ladies and gentlemen, the all-time high might just be on hand. Why? Because, as we can see, very thin volume in the volume profile, which means, as always, price moves up or down very quickly through these sorts of areas. So if we have that, those of you who bought high will now be able to smile and be able to close your positions should you decide to. Anyway, I think that's really all you need to know at the moment about Moodeng. But so that's me. So keep your eyes and ears open and your trading sharp. Have a good one.